Okay, what we're going to be working on in this video is we're going to be taking a look at the announcements, managing announcements, and kind of how that works. Every once in a while, your school or your organization may have some announcements that you want to get out to your students. And so as an administrator, whenever you log in, you should be able to come to up under communication, up under the communication menu, you should see Manage Announcements and Events. So we're going to click on Manage Announcements and Events, and you'll see the typical school drop down. If you have more than one school, you'll be able to select a particular school. And what you'll see down here is you'll see the Announcements tab, and we're going to deal strictly with announcements this video. We'll do events in a different one. You can see right here that you have two options. One of them is organization announcements, and one of them is school announcements. Now, you can make an announcement that will appear on the website that will only appear for certain schools, or you can make an announcement that will appear for everyone in the organization. So why don't we go ahead and make an organization announcement, and we're going to make the start date be the 1st of February, and the end date we will make it be through April 1st, and we will say the subject is implementing Marshall management. We are going to be using going forward. Okay, so that is an announcement, and you make the announcement, pretty long actually if you need to. So we'll go ahead and save that, and then you'll see that that will appear up under the organization announcement. Now, let's go make a school announcement, and you'll notice that as you select the different ones, you get a different list. So we're going to make a school announcement, and we're going to say starting on February 1st, and we're going to say that it never expires. And the subject is going to be, please pay your dues on time. Please pay your dues on time. Okay, so now you'll see that you have a school announcement and an organization announcement. Now, where these announcements come in, become important is whenever any user logs into the system, they will come to the home page, and on the home page you will see a section here for the announcements, and these announcements are going to show up for if you belong to that particular organization, then any of the organization announcements will show up, and if your home school has any school announcements, they will show up here. What's nice is that, say I log in as a user and I see that, and I keep seeing these announcements and I keep reading them and I keep going, okay, I know that. Well, I don't want to look at it anymore, so I can say I'd like to hide that announcement. As soon as I hide the announcements, I get a button that says Show Hidden Announcements. So that way, I'll know that there are some announcements that I have hidden, and so I can always come back and I can show them. So that way I can keep my screen a little bit tidy if I need to. And I can also get to those announcements if I need to as well. And so that's basically how announcements work in the system.